This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural glutathione. This vital antioxidant, produced by your liver, plays a crucial role in detoxifying your cells and protecting them from oxidative stress. Unfortunately, our natural glutathione levels can decline due to factors like aging, poor diet, and chronic stress. Understanding how to support its production is key to maintaining overall health and well-being. Let's explore simple, effective strategies to naturally boost your body's master antioxidant. A cornerstone of boosting natural glutathione is through your diet. Focus on sulfur-rich foods such as garlic, onions, broccoli, and cabbage, as sulfur is a key component for glutathione synthesis. Additionally, incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs provides essential amino acids like cysteine, glycine, and glutamine, which are the building blocks for glutathione. Don't forget foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges and bell peppers, and selenium, found in Brazil nuts, as these nutrients support glutathione's function and production. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts glutathione levels. Regular physical activity, encompassing both cardio and strength training, has been shown to increase glutathione. Aim for consistent, moderate exercise rather than overtraining. Crucially, prioritize getting enough quality sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can deplete your glutathione reserves. Furthermore, effectively managing stress through practices such as meditation, yoga, or simply enjoying nature helps reduce oxidative stress, allowing your body to maintain healthier glutathione concentrations. While diet and lifestyle are primary, certain supplements can also support your body's glutathione production. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, is a popular precursor that helps your body create more glutathione. Whey protein, rich in cysteine, can also be beneficial. Additionally, herbal supplements like milk thistle and curcumin have shown promise in boosting glutathione levels. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. For those interested in improving their financial health, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.